Hello everyone, Pedro with you, and in this video I'm going to show you how to download Telegram videos. So actually it is very easy. First of all, we need to open Telegram, and here you need to go to the chats folder on your device, on your Telegram. Here it is, and here you need to find the chat or the channel where you have the video you want to download. So for example, I will go to this chat and I want to download the latest video here. So all I have to do now is to simply click on this video, basically pause it if you want, and click on the share button in the bottom left corner, and here you will find all your contacts, etc., all your chats, and you have to click on the save video button, and basically as you can see the loading is started and you just downloading the video right now to your gallery. And once the download is finished, you will see these video in your phone gallery. And basically that is it. That is how we can download Telegram videos on Telegram. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.